Built for fast, effective pest control, Tomahawk battery-powered sprayers deliver professional-grade results without the hassle. Its high-output motor keeps pressure consistent for quick, even coverage, reaching under shrubs, trees, and landscaping. Whether you're preparing for a backyard get-together or protecting your family from annoying pests, this sprayer makes it easy to take control, even if it's your first time spraying. Start by unboxing the sprayer and making sure all parts are included. Open the battery compartment and drop in a fully charged battery, then close the door securely. Next, attach the nozzle that fits your application best. Finally, remove the tank lid, fill it with your ideal pesticide, fertilizer, or treatment solution, and tighten the lid down snug. Use a wall or the bed of a truck to help safely lift the unit onto your back. Tighten the shoulder straps until the weight feels balanced and comfortable. Once it's fitted properly, start spraying and walk at a steady pace. Let the sprayer do the work and overlap your passes slightly to make sure nothing gets missed. For the best results, match the nozzle to the job. Use conical nozzles for shrubs and dense foliage, the fan tip nozzle for lawns, fence lines, and wide surface coverage, and the irrigation rod for deep root feeding and direct soil application around plants and trees. At the end of the day, empty the tank and rinse it along with the nozzles using clean water to prevent buildup. Always recharge your battery after each use so the sprayer is ready to go when you are. And for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your equipment, click subscribe today.